Hello guys, how are you? Travis here, alongside Samantha. What time is it?
37?
No.
38?
No.
Munchpak?
It's Munchpak time. Guys, how are you? Travis alongside Samantha. I think I just said that, didn't I? Anyways, it's Friday. Give me a break. It's been a long week.
Why are you sitting right there?
This Munchpak was made with love. And love it I shall. Alright. Chips, that's always a safe bet. Let
me try to open it first.
Masala Munch. Crunchy dal, corn, and rice snack packed with chili spices and masala flavor. Made in India.
I'm just gonna open it so I can...
that's scary. Oh my.
What?
I gotta show this to you guys. Hang on.
Wait, I'm gonna...
Paint roller candy from China. Hold on, let me see this. Let me show it. So, you put this in here, and it's literally like it sounds. It's a paint roller. That's freaking awesome. You're gonna share.
Yes, I am. I always be a good girl.
Sometimes.
Yeah, little piggy.
Okay, I might need scissors for this. Yeah, I'm gonna need scissors. Cameraman, would you cut that for us, please?
You open this, cameraman?
Make yourself useful. Anyways.
Let me just try it. Let me just try first. Try it.
Wonderful. Don't use your teeth. Use a... No one ever listens to me.
Taste it, Mama. It's good. Mommy, let me show you how to squirt it.
They look like Cheetos.
Yeah, you look like Cheetos. Mommy, let me show you how to squeeze it.
Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh. A little bit of a kick to that one. Very interesting. That's worth another bite. Look, it looks like Captain Hook. Or a question mark.
Are you okay?
A little bit of a kick.
Let me just try a little bit.
That's okay, that's okay. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Bonart Sweeties Chewy Candy from Turkey.
My whole life is weird and sour.
Watermelon, tropical fruits.
Just try a little
melon,
bit.
pineapple.
Try it.
Well, of course, if you eat it out of there, it's going to be sour.
Is it sour?
It tastes like a blue raspberry icy. Okay, I'm going to try a melon pineapple. Let's do this.
Okay. On it. Hey. Excuse me, hey.
Watermelon tropical.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
This is melon pineapple. What in the hector are you doing?
I'm trying to show them. You show them.
The lens is right here, doofus. Let's see. Oh dear, oh my. 5-second rule.
You please save some for me from Munchpak?
Not as chewy
Oh my god.
as it sounds.
It's starting to strip.
But good.
Okay, here.
She's making a mess. Rose.
Where's my juice?
Rose Kelly.
Where's my juice? Oh, there.
Cheese snacks. No preservatives. Real cheese. Baked, not fried. Colombia.
This is side. Ooh, that looks good. Wait, Papa, Nana, when get these for me? Good. I better sit down. Excuse me, in my bushy.
Comment below if you want to adopt.
Try it. I promise it's not spicy. It's fine.
A little on the dry side, but not bad.
Just try it, Daddy, Mom.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Pineapple. Chewy kosher pineapple taffy shaped like gold coins. If I can open the damn thing. Munchpak, I love you guys. I really do. There we go. Okay. Now this is gonna be this isn't chocolate, Sammy. Okay.
What?
It's weird pineapple weirdness. That's okay. I love Munchpak. I love trying different things.
Me too.
Yet she won't try hamburger. Explain that one.
Yeah, you know it.
Okay, why do I suck at opening things?
I got it.
I did it! Woohoo!
I did too.
Oh wait. It looks like
Excuse me, can I do mine too? It's so hard. Is that? Nope. It's actually good.
I'm not so sure about that one.
That one's really hard. It looks like it's a gummy, but it's not a gummy. Excuse me, stare.
Alright, let's keep up the pineapple theme. Parley Creams Gold Pineapple Cookies. Crunchy and sweet pineapple flavored cookies. Hang on. One thing at a time.
Strawberry! I'm a strawberry!
Settle down. Settle down. It's all crumbled.
Oh my god. Amazing. Oh. Here you go. It's for you.
Mmm.
Let's look at it.
Mmm.
I need a fighting cup. This thing is weird.
Oh. No. No.
What is it?
Gray nuts. Mixed nuts. Peanuts, almonds, cashews. Also made in Colombia. All mine. No way.
I'll get them to you.
Damn.
Good job.
Nuts down. Nuts down. Oh, here's a tab. Look at that. It's idiot proof.
Wow.
Really?
Oh, I opened this one.
That's not gonna work. See?
Okay. One,
Not bad.
Airplane away!
That might be a favorite so far. We'll see. That's really good. Made in the USA, people. All right.
Can I try?
Oppenheimer Mega Blitz Strawberry Candy. Chewy, bite-sized strawberry flavored candies.
You need to try.
And
It's really good. Really, really, really good.
Take it from her. Oh, God. They look like rocks. Here,
Yeah.
take this. Let me show you guys real quick. They look like rocks.
Ooh.
Ooh, very tasty
They
rocks.
look like eggs too.
They look like eggs, you dork.
Excuse me, that's mine.
Okay. It's a sponge cake. Swiss roll. Sweet vanilla sponge cake with rich cocoa cream. From Jordan. I didn't do very good at geology. I don't know where Jordan is. Ooh.
Come on, Mama. Mama, it tastes good. It tastes like spread. That's it. Eat it out.
That's awesome. I love the focus on this camera. Seriously.
Daddy, help me. Mommy don't want to eat this thing. You need to eat it.
Ooh.
Ooh. What about you gonna try to eat this?
That's pretty good. Alright, last but not least, Ulker Kit Kat Tat with hazelnut filling. Fluffy and crunchy pastry filled with sweet cocoa hazelnut cream. So, I'm guessing it's like a Kit Kat, but with hazelnut. And there it goes all over the carpeting.
One to go fall down like a rainbow.
Boy, hazelnuts are really crumbly.
Oh, can I get a try?
Hang on, it's all crumbling. Hang on.
Oh,
It looks like bread. Try and push this up a little more.
Ooh, no. I really want to try that. It's really good. Yeah, I like it.
Making a mess. That's okay.
Ooh.
That's why I love these videos. And I think that is it. Hang on. Alright. Thank you for watching this month's Munchpak unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. And guys, please, sign up for Munchpak. You will not regret it. It is so amazing. Same as giving the thumbs up. You can't really see it. There you go. Over here. Alright guys. Peace out.